So first property is closure property. In closure property, what does closure property say? If we multiply two integers, the product which we'll get is also an integer. Suppose a and b are two integers. If we multiply a into b, result is also an integer. For example, let a equals to -5 and b equals to 7. Okay, a into b. So -5 into 7. Okay, -35. We know -5 is also an integer, 7 is also integer, and this minus the product of 2 -35 is also an integer. Let us take another example. A equals to -4, b equals to -5. We want to multiply a into b. So -4 into -5 equals to 20. This -4 is also an integer, -5 is also an integer, and their product 20 is also an integer. Okay. Next is commutative. For any two integer, commutative property. For any two integers a and b, we can write this as let a and b be two integers. Okay. For this we can write a into b equals to b into a. Okay. Now we can assign the value of a and b. A equals to -3 and b equals to 7. So a into b, -3 into 7 equals to -21. b into a, 7 into -3, -21. Therefore we can write this a into b equals to b into a. This is your commutative property. Similarly, associative property. If a b c are three integers, then by using associative property we can write a into b into c equals to a into b into c. Okay. For example, let us consider a equals to -7, b equals to -5 and c equals to -8. Okay. Now a into b, so -7 into -5 into -8 equals to -280. ठीक है. उसी तरह इसको भी करेंगे. a कितना का वैल्यू है -7 इंटू b इंटू सी -5 इंटू -8. इसका अभी कितना आएगा -280 ही आएगा. Therefore we can write a into b into c equals to a into b into c. Okay. Next is distributive law. Yeah, distributive property. distributive property. If for any three integers let a, b and c be three integers, then a into b plus c, a into b plus c, we can write this as a into b plus a into c. Okay, so based on these properties of integers, you can solve the exercise by using the same closure property, commutative property, associative property, distributive property. We can find, we can solve the exercise. Okay, so try to complete the exercise. Okay.